Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
I am fine. A little sleepy. And you?
I am very good. I slept well.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had tea and bread. And you?
I ate eggs and fruit. It was good.
What are your plans for today?
I want to practice English and read a book.
That is very good. Reading is helpful.
Can we talk and practice together?
Yes. That is a great idea. We can talk for 1 hour.
Okay, let's start with the morning routine.
Sure. First, we wake up. Then we brush our teeth.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very good. After that?
I drink water and eat breakfast.
Great. What do you eat for breakfast every day?
Sometimes bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes cereal.
Nice. I like cereal too.
After breakfast, I like to read news online.
That is very good. I like reading too.
Do you read books too?
Yes, I read storybooks and English books.
Lily, what do you do after breakfast?
I go for a walk. Walking is good for health.
Yes, I want to walk too. Can I walk with you tomorrow?
Yes. Let's walk together. What time do you want to go?
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
Perfect. I will be ready.
What do you do after walking?
I take a shower and get ready for work.
What time do you start work?
At 9 o'clock. I work in an office.
What do you do in the office?
I answer emails, talk to people, and write reports.
That sounds interesting. I like learning about work.
And you, Alex? What do you do during the day?
I study English, watch videos, and sometimes write in my notebook.
Very good. Writing is very helpful for learning English.
I also listen to English songs.
Songs are fun. What songs do you like?
I like simple songs with easy words.
That is smart. Listening helps a lot.
Lily, do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends. And you?
I have a few friends, but they are very good.
That is nice. Friends are very important.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk, play games, and sometimes go to the park.
I like going to the park too.
What games do you like?
I like football and board games. Do your friends speak English?
Some of them speak English. I try to practice with them.
That is very good. Practicing English with friends is helpful.
Yes. And sometimes I watch English movies with my friends.
That is fun. I like watching movies too.
What is your favorite movie?
I like action movies. And you?
I like comedy movies. They make me happy.
Lily, what are your hobbies?
I like reading, walking, and cooking.
That is nice. I like drawing and listening to music.
Do you draw every day?
Not every day, but sometimes in the evening.
That is good. Drawing helps you relax.
And you, Lily, do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook for my family.
What do you like to cook the most?
I like cooking pasta and simple meals.
I like pasta too.
Do you listen to music when you cook?
Sometimes, I like listening to soft songs.
That is nice. Music makes cooking fun.
Lily, do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for food and clothes.
Me too. What do you usually buy?
I buy fruits, vegetables, and sometimes clothes.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples. And you?
I like bananas. They are sweet and easy to eat.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
That is good. I eat rice, soup, and vegetables.
Do you like eating outside?
Sometimes, yes. I like simple restaurants.
Me too. I like trying new food. Hi Lily, what are your plans for the weekend?
Hi Alex. I want to go to the park and relax. What about you?
I want to go to the market and then meet some friends.
That sounds fun. Can I come with you?
Yes, of course, we can go together.
What time do you want to go?
How about 10 o'clock in the morning?
Perfect. I will be ready.
Do you want to have breakfast before going?
Yes, I want to eat something simple.
I can make sandwiches.
Great. I like sandwiches.
After breakfast, we can go to the market.
Yes. I want to buy fruits and some snacks.
Me too. I also want to buy vegetables for my family.
The market is big. Do you know where we can go first?
Yes, we can start with the fruit shop.
Good idea. I want to buy apples and bananas.
I will buy oranges and grapes.
After the market, we can go to the park.
Yes, I like walking in the park.
We can also sit and talk for a while.
That is nice. And we can take some photos.
I like taking photos. Do you like photos?
Yes, I like photos too. I want to remember good days.
After the park, do you want to eat outside?
Yes, we can go to a small restaurant.
I like simple food, like sandwiches or noodles.
Me too. Noodles are my favorite.
On Sunday, I want to visit my cousin.
That sounds fun. I want to rest at home on Sunday.
Resting is good too. We need energy for the next week.
Yes, weekend is for fun and rest.
I agree. Do you like going to the cinema on weekends?
Yes, sometimes. What about you?
I like watching movies too, especially comedies.
Maybe next weekend we can go to the cinema.
Yes, that will be fun. We can watch a new movie.
I am happy we have many plans.
Me too. Weekends are always nice with friends.
Thank you for planning with me, Lily.
You are welcome, Alex. I enjoy our time together.
Hi Lily, do you go to school or work every day?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I go to work every day. What about you?
I go to the language center to study English.
How do you go there?
I go by bus. It is fast and cheap.
I go by car. Sometimes I take the bus too.
How long do you go to work?
I go for 30 minutes. And you?
It takes 20 minutes by bus.
Do you like buses?
Sometimes. Buses are crowded, but they are easy.
Yes, cars are comfortable, but buses are good for the environment.
Do you travel often on weekends?
Yes, I go to the park or visit friends.
I go to new cities sometimes. I like traveling.
How do you travel to another city?
I travel by train or bus. Trains are very comfortable.
I like trains too. They are big and fast.
Do you travel by plane?
Yes, sometimes. I go to other countries by plane.
Wow, that is interesting. I want to travel by plane too.
Traveling is fun. You see new places and meet new people.
Yes. I take photos and try new food when I travel.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
Sometimes I travel alone, sometimes with friends.
Traveling with friends is fun. You can talk and laugh together.
Yes, and you can share the cost too.
True, travel is more enjoyable when you plan it well.
Hi Lily, what time do you wake up every day?
Hi Alex. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. And you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7:30. And you?
I eat breakfast at 6:45.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 o'clock. How about you?
I go to the language center at 8:30.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock. And you?
I finish at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. And you?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Do you sleep enough?
Sometimes, I need more sleep.
I sleep well. I wake up early and feel good.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30. And you?
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
What time do you take a break?
I take a break at 3 o'clock. I drink coffee or water.
That is good. I also take a break at 3 o'clock.
What time do you usually go shopping?
I go shopping at 5 o'clock on weekends.
I go shopping at 4 o'clock on Saturday.
Time is very important.
Yes. We can plan our day and do many things.